Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng System.io certification gaya nito? If yes, then panoorin mo ang video dahil ngayon pag-usapan natin kung paano ka makakuha ng System.io certification for free at kung paano ito makakatulong sa iyong digital business. What's up guys? My name is Rose and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I talk about how to make money online through digital products. So if you're interested with my topic, so make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Alright, ngayon pag-usapan naman natin ang System.io certification. First, ano ba ang System.io at paano ba ito makakatulong sa iyong online business or digital business? System.io ay isang all-in-one marketing platform where you can build your email list, build your website, have an automations and email marketing as well, and also where you can host your online courses at marami pa siyang mga features na paniguradong magugustuhan mo as a digital product seller. So if you're interested to learn more about System.io, then meron pa akong ginawa na System.io A to Z tutorial. Check mo lang dito, yung link ng video after this video so you can watch it. Kasi ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung paano makakuha ng System.io certification. Based on my personal experience, nung nag-start pa lang ako kay System.io way back May 2022, when I first discovered about it, sobrang namangha na talaga ako sa features niya, lalo na yung free plan. And that time is wala pa yung certification or yung kanilang online course about System.io. So, when the moment na in-implement nila yon, so I grabbed the opportunity kasi free lang din naman siya. And by the way guys, I will put the links sa description ng video nito so you can check it. So, bali meron na siyang dalawang certification ngayon. So, yung first na certification na kinuha ko ay yung being a System.io expert. So, the first one will talk you or will walk you through all about System.io, the platform itself. Ando na yung mga step-by-step tutorials, lalo na yung basic steps on creating your funnels, email campaigns. So, everything na gusto mong malaman about System.io ay ando na sa course na yon. If you want to learn more about System.io, I highly suggest na kunin mo yung certification na yun. So, after kong makuha yung first certification in System.io, nagkaroon ako ng confidence na I can revamp my digital business with System.io. Malaking tulong talaga sa akin yung certification or yung online course ni System.io kasi dito ko mas nalaman kung paano mag-build talaga ng online business, paano mag-build ng email list. So, lahat ng knowledge na nakuha ko dun sa online course na yun ay in-apply ko naman sa aking sariling digital business, which I am so thankful. I was able to have a digital business even if I'm a full-time mom. So, yun yung first certification. Just go ahead sa first link ng description ng video na ito. Andun yung details kung paano mo siya ma-access. Don't worry guys, libre lang po ito. So ngayon, I will show you kung ano yung matutunan mo inside the online course. Alright guys, this is the System.io certification. And as you can see here, meron siyang mga modules, 9 modules. So dito sa introduction, it will introduce you about System.io. And then the second module is main dashboard and contacts. So, marami siyang mga lessons dito guys, as you can see here. And then, you need to take the quiz. So, after mong mapanood ang mga lessons dito, and then magte-take ka ng quiz para makapag-proceed ka sa module number 3, which is yung funnels. Kailangan mo munang ipasa ang quiz sa module 1 para magkaroon ka ng access sa module na funnels. After that, dito sa funnels is meron na din siya mga other lessons here as you can see that. These are very informative na mga information and tutorials about System.io. So, I highly recommend this one if you are just starting pa lang kay System.io and you like kinda lost sa process or sa technical side ng platform. And then, magtitake ka naman ng quiz para mag-proceed ka sa blogs na module. So, meron siyang dalawang lessons lang dito. After that, sa automations naman tayo, ayan. And then, for the products, physical coupons here, marami din siyang mga tutorials. And then, for the sales, emails, and account settings. Alright, so after mo mapanood ang lahat ng lessons, then you need to get your certificate. So you need 100 passing score para mapasa mo ito, guys. If bago pa lang sa yung mga terms dito, I highly recommend na magdala ka ng notebook or mag-take notes ka sa mga lessons that pinapakita sa iyo dito, kasi it really can help you understand more about System.io. So after that, get your certification and share to your social media. Then you have a certification from System.io. Hindi ko ipakita sa iyo yung mga sagot ko dito sa quiz para naman paghirapan mo siyang sagutin, di ba? Hindi naman sa ganun, guys. Mas masarap pa din sa feeling kapag pinaghirapan mo ang isang bagay. So, ayun ang overview natin sa first na certification ni System.io, which is yung kabuuan talaga about System.io. So, the next one naman is ito yung bagong release niya. This month lang siya ni-release ni System.io. This course is focusing on building a funnel kay System.io. So, you will become a funnel builder expert. So, recent ko lang din siya natapos, guys. I think that was last week. So, I posted it as well in my Facebook profile. And nakakatuwa lang kasi marami din ang nagkaka-interest na mag-take ng certification kay System.io. So ngayon, I will show you inside the online course para meron ka ng overview kung ano yung andoon. So let's go to my screen again. So as you can see here, congratulations, you're System.io certified. The System.io Funnel Builder Certification. So, you will learn here more about on funnel building. So, ano ba yung funnel building? So, masasagot po yung katanungan mo kapag pinanood mo ang mga video tutorials inside this online course. So, here, meron ulit na introduction. And then, ito guys, understanding sales funnel. Ayan. Andito yung mga fundamentals, planning, types. Ayan, madami yan. And then, after that, you need to take the quiz ulit. So, you need to have a 100% passing grade para ma-access mo ang Module 2, which is yung building your funnels. So, inside sa building your funnels, as you can see here, so, meron silang ibibigay sa'yo na System.io Sales Funnel Starter Kit resources. So, bibigyan ka nila ng Sales Funnel Starter Kit. Meron silang ibibigay sila PDF that you can use as a lead magnet. And guys, ginamit ko din ang lead magnet na ito in my own. Ayan, makukuha mo siya dito once na mag-enroll ka sa certification nila. And also, you will get Funnel Template 1 and 2 and also a link in bio template. So, what is a link in bio? So, ito yung ilalagay mo sa yung mga social media accounts. I will show you my link in bio, for example. So, this is my link in bio, guys, as you can see here. Ayan. So, this summarize or it will showcase it will showcase kung ano yung mga products na pinopromote ko. As you can see here, yung free guide, and then yung low offer ko na digital kit, and then the System.io PLR courses, ayan, and then my other platform, yung Rocket PH, my shop, and then my services dito, and also for my newsletter here. So, saan ba to ginagamit yung link in bio? So, punta tayo sa aking Facebook. Alright, as you can see here, guys, sa aking Facebook profile or even in my Facebook page, meron na ako isang link na nakalagay dito, which is yung aking link in bio. So, if may magpunta sa aking profile and will check around kung ano yung ino-offer ko, and then they will see my link here. So, kapag i-click nila ito, so dito sila madadirect sa aking link in bio na funnel. Okay, so that's one of the purpose of having a link in bio, and you can also add this link to your social media accounts like Instagram, TikTok, or even sa YouTube. And dito sa automating your funnels and digital products, you can see here, meron siyang nakalagay na how to create and configure our price plan, and then you need to take the quiz, then proceed ka dito sa analytics and optimization, and also, ayan na siya, get your certificate. So, overall, meron itong 18 lessons. Ang kagandahan kasi nito guys, kapag mag-take ka ng mga certification na ito is that it will help you na magkaroon ka talaga ng confidence that meron ka ng knowledge when it comes to system.io, when it comes to funnel building, sales page creation or landing page creation. And also, if you are a freelancer, lalo na pagdating sa web design, sa funnel design, if you're just starting pa lang talaga as a freelancer. So, this is a great opportunity for you to jump in kasi marami ngayon ang mga businesses na naghahanap ng web designer, ng funnel designer, and also marami din ngayon ang naghahanap ng system.io expert. Kahit hindi ka pa expert, as long as that you take the certification, it will give you an edge. Kumbaga, meron ka ng advantage na pwede mong ipakita sa yung mga prospects that you have the knowledge and skills about system.io. Again guys, I will put the certification links in the description of this video. Go ahead, take your time. And if you have question guys, don't forget to message me in my Facebook or in my Instagram. One last thing pala guys, if you get value from this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this one. So go ahead and take that certification, post it in your social media accounts, and don't forget to tag me if you want. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!